adjust sensitivity level of the navigation gesture on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap navigation bar. Tap more option. To adjust the gesture sensitivity level, slide the adjustment bar below gesture sensitivity to the right to get a higher sensitivity level. If you are using a case, choosing a higher sensitivity might help you to do gesture at the edge of the screen with more easily. Or you can slide the bar to the left to get a lower sensitivity level. If you sometimes do gesture unintentionally, choosing a lower sensitivity might help you to avoid those unwanted gestures. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.